So this is the new HVAC system at the lake house here in Somerton. The 1993 Janitrol had a leak in the crawl space area, so it has now been replaced, and the new unit was relocated because the blower in the Janitrol, as you know, it was a package unit, just like this one, was installed in the crawl space. So the new system has been relocated. As you can see, it's a Heil, brand new, installed sometime this past week. 3.5 ton, just like the old unit. Really quiet Copeland scroll compressor. You can hear it just barely. It's all back here, obviously. Nothing can be seen from the fan grill itself. Can't see down there anyway with the unit running. The old Janitrol is still sitting out front, disconnected. There it is right there. As you can see, the brick wall has been demolished completely. And I'm gonna make a video dedicated to that unit later on its own. The back panel is already slightly hanging off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a look at its inner workings. Yeah, this unit is chugging away. There's the deposit drain right there. UL listed section of heat pump. You can see it's got the Gentech motor, rotates at 1100 RPM. It's got a HSPF of 8. And this, as far as I know, is one of the final units on the market that will be sold below a 15 SEER, because after this year, all HVAC companies are manufacturing a minimum of 15 SEER. You see it's got the new pad and everything. So yeah, that's our new system. Gonna do a startup shutdown a bit later. There's a thermostat. That is of a brand I've never heard of before. And the thermostat is set at 60. Oh no, I'm dyslexic. That's 76 degrees. And you can see the markings of where the old mercury bulb thermostat was. And it has shut off, but there's the unit right there. I didn't mention this earlier, but the blade has a tag on it that has the manufacture date of the blade on it, February 5th, 2022. But yeah, there's a new Heil out.